I'm finally done with my essay. Now I just need to staple it. Where did my stapler go? Oh, there's a note. I say everything I hear to others around. I'm not an animal, nor part of the human race. I will immediately repeat after you, but only if my tail's in place. What am I? Microphone. The stapler must be at the theater.
I failed my essay, so you're not allowed to ace yours.
Even though you failed your essay, doesn't mean I have to fail mine, so give me the gosh darn stapler.
Fine.